Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. What that's normally station never ends. So, Mama Biafra sent some message again. But come to think of it, I think at this moment, they should leave the conscience for the Biafran people to decide. Yes, all these things, all this problem here and there is causing more harm. Like, come to think of it, nobody is even talking about Simon Ekman anymore. Nobody is talking about Finland anymore. Nobody is saying what is going on anymore. No update, nothing. Kai, get everybody to your tent, O Israel. You know, at times there's a way you do your work. The work of your hand is going to speak for you. The work of your hand is going to tell the people the reality and the truth. What you do, we speak. At this moment, let's just leave everything for this one is doing it well, this one is not doing it well. Let's allow the people to decide who to follow. Because you can only force the horse to the river. You can never force the horse to drink water. That is just the basic truth. You can't force the horse to drink water. Anyways, let's listen to Mama Biafra and I'll be right back.
And it's to let you guys know that a man called Oganiru Biafra, he is a Hausa man. He is a Fulani.
Oh, God. That's true.
This guy took him out. Now,
That's true.
the Olabereze has made this man the governor of Enugu. So what do you think is going on? He made this man not just that the whatever is of Enugu state, he's letting the Fulanis coming. Can you imagine when two of them liaise? Do you think we will have a land? That will let you guys know more about what we are telling you, that Ngozi is not fighting for Biafra. She does not care about Biafra. All she is thinking is how to hand us over. You remember that Gumi said that the way to do it is to train Biafrans, to train them so that they can go and fight themselves. So that's what Ngozi is doing by taking over, creating her own army, Biafrans, and then using them to fight us. So I want us to know, I'm saying this, cut this out so that Ngozi will hear, so that she knows that we know that she's liaising with Oganiru Biafra, who Odogu blocked. This man was with Maureen and WhatsApp. Maureen was there. They took him out. Now, the man, when you hear him speak, you can hear Hausa accent. Though he's over there in him. So I just want to bring this out. Know this and let it go viral. Another thing is that there's some I said let's stop using cuss words. He is called Biafra Superstars. I'm calling him, I'm saying Biafra Superstars. We told Kagi Biamadani. If I don't know who got white. What are three Biafra Superstars? For you to have a bias against I don't know. Because I'm 72 years old, I can't speak about sticks and groundnuts. You don't know that Golda was once reigning. And all of them. So I should not speak about the sticks and groundnuts. I should keep my mouth shut. It should be the men. I want to tell you, Biafra Superstars, that great minds don't discuss people. They discuss events. It's small minds. And you seem to think you've gone to school. I'm here today telling you, you went through school, but school did not go through you. Because if you know that, you wouldn't be vomiting. You would be focusing on the subject and not on the person. I don't control over the number of years I have. So you can't attack me because of my number of years. You can't attack a person that way. So that's for him there. And then Biafrans, Finland in 2023, You know, all the admins, they gave us charters to sell. My own charter, Onuwu signed all my charter. So it's kind of special, so don't be jealous, okay? So he signed all the charters. So within my own charter, on that money we were living, I sold, gave to a lady, if you guys remember, there was a lady in a wheelchair that came from UK. She got it and then sent the money to Dr. Rabeze, leaving me with 23. Then there were shares that were discounted at $30 each. I bought 3 of them. And then what is it called? The database, I loaned the government $1,000, which we agreed, they've been giving back some of them their own, which they are supposed to give back to me because I do my donation. When I do loan, it's purely loan. So now I sold 16 of those charter, making 1,600. Then I took out my 1,000, leaving us 600 plus the $90 for the discounted shirt, which was formerly 50. They sold it for 30, so as to clear everything. So 690. I wanted to give this money to Dr. Rabeze, but the spirit kept dealing with me not to, I didn't know why I was being constrained. So I never gave that. I was going to give her that money and mail back the other 7, which I have left. But on second thought, after all this happened, I have paid in $700 into Biafra account. So, wise one,
Thank you so much.
will see the receipt for the 700. I need you to confirm it. And yes, I sent it to you this morning. I've already paid in the $10 should be the interest for that blood money sitting in my account. Though we know you don't get that much, you can't get $10 on 700. Otherwise, everybody will be putting their money. So I'm going to round it up to 700 from 690. So I still have 7 left. So anybody that wants to buy Onuwu signed, he autographed the 6 left. 1 isn't autographed. You go and pay in $100 into the Biafran government, send me a receipt, and then I will see about mailing it to you. So this is what I need to tell. And there's somebody who gave me $100. There are people who will be coming in on their own. But some people were calling me. I was sending them the website, telling them, it's not difficult to do. If you can, then call me. I'll walk you through. If you can't do number 2, then number 3. I'll take the money from you, pay in, give you your receipt. So somebody paid in, paid Z100 to me. Wise one, you will see that receipt too. So altogether this morning, 800 is coming in. That's all I have. California, working out. Thank you.
I don't know. Wow. God bless you, Mama.
Love you so much. Show what you're doing. It's not way for Melunu. You guys just forget it and let's put our heads together and do things properly. No. You know I love you. I love you so much. And you're very reasonable. What has become of your thinking faculty? Ola Obonna.
The pocket of Ngozi now.
You are a man of God. You should have perception. If you don't know, go into your closet, talk to Elohim. He will reveal to you that the way she's doing is not right. What she's doing is laced in lies and deceit. And that's the way the devil operates. Yeah. You don't need to let that take you over. Sister, I love you so much. You of Mary, something of Christ. Here around the island. And you're contributing. You've been contributing. Your process Reverend Sister Onuwu.
It goes before the fall.
Let's come together. Can you call about Fufu? It breaks my heart. Forget about Ngozi. I've told you that her time is up. Let's stop all this nonsense on it. Because she remembers that my point is always that God will expose anybody trying to derail us and disgrace. So if someone says does not stop, people don't want to be disgraced like that. The disgrace is coming. It's just a matter of time.
Yes. Absolutely.
I'm speaking as the Spirit is leading me. I'm speaking as the Spirit is leading me. I'm not one sent, but when my Maker sends me on an errand, I do it. I don't even know what I'm saying. It just comes, and I have to do it. Otherwise, I won't have peace of mind. Bikonu, anamaayunu. Potano ununo. Eba ununo adiroma. Akofesi kwano gadalawo. Say, gadalawo.
Yes, so God.
Truth will always lead you. Truth. Because that was the last time I told you, okay, I'm on a virtual visit. I'm going to say, I don't envy your position. You're a multitasker. But I see, if you get to the truth, okay, direct. You know that. Because I know. Ngozi. Agwago nke man ife ọbụla na-ekwu bụ asị bịa ṅụọ iyi mmasị donu natagasi. No,
Ever.
ife ọbụla m na-ekwu Ngozi ịma ife m na-ekwu na gị na ụdị ọgwụ adịrọ na mma.
But wait, they don't have permission. By force.
Yes, you know adịrọ na mma.
While in home together and the fight of our freedom, we use that pen and fight each other and destroy each other and destroy each other's name, and which is very bad. We say that enough is enough. The only thing that I know that the truth must be told, whether they like it or not. So I use this opportunity to call all my people, all Biafrans, please, all of us must come together. Fall back for the house that Obatobia leave for us before he moved. So that if Obatobia comes back, he will see us in that house together with one mind and one love. Please, the most important now is not who is in charge or who is the chairman or who is the chairlady. No, the most important now is to defend our land. Our land. First of all is our land. If we don't get our land, no Biafra. We must get our land before we get Biafra. Because if you get Biafra, we must have a land to go with it. If you go to get Biafra, but the Fulani have to take over and occupy your land, where are you going to go? If you people see what is going on now, honestly, I'm not happy about it. If you see the people in charge, somebody who call herself DPM, see the kind of people that she surrendered herself with. She surrendered herself with the Fulanis. Everybody work with this woman is a terrorist. If you see this organization Biafra, because I heard when Mama Biafra, I don't know, is talking about this organization Biafra. Organization Biafra used to be governor for this terrorist group called USN, because I will call the USN. I will leave B, because when you put B, you put Biafra, but when you put N, you put Nigeria, because it's what it is. So if you watch all of them is the Fulanis. Organization Biafra is a Fulani, 100% a Fulani man. This man start work at the DPN, Madam Ngozi employed this woman December. Since December, go to Enugu State, see what is going on in Enugu State. Since December, this man she made her a governor. It's not only that. There is many things going on. Many things. The cleaners, the cleaners of our people, everything is going upside down. For this woman, take Caterpillar, everybody know Caterpillar, Ikenguru and others. Sapele and one man called GK again. All of them are Fulanis, rejected by Biafran government in exile, led by Obato Obie. But this woman bring all of them back. So please, Biafrans, I call every one of us, you people should come and join Biafran government in exile. Why I'm here today? Because I must be here. Nobody forced me and nobody will force me. I know what I do is the right thing to do. If you really like Biafra, you must be here.
So, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. As I said before, people should allow Biafrans to make their own decision. I still keep on saying it that no matter how lies flies, at the end, it's only the truth that will prevail. And it will only take time. Yes, it's a matter of time. All these things that is happening, only the truth will prevail. And Biafrans, they have their own rights, choice, eyes to detect and to see for themselves and to make decisions that they think is better for them. So at this moment, as I said before, nobody is not talking about Simon Ekpa, the Biafra Prime Minister. Everything has turned the other way around. People can still go back and make things right. So, my beautiful family, share this video, and I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst. I will keep updating you on all the latest happening. Moreover, drop your opinion in the comment section. I will be in the comment section with you, and bye for now.